Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can disconnect Facebook from your Spotify. So it's pretty simple. So what you want to do is open up your Spotify and click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen. From over here, you want to click on where it says settings. From here, you want to scroll all the way down until you see socials. Once you see socials, if your Facebook is connected, it's going to show you disconnect from Facebook. Now remember, if your Facebook is not connected, it's going to show you connect. But if it is already connected, it's going to show you disconnect. So just click on this and basically you have done it. You have disconnected your Facebook from Spotify because it says connect. So if I want to rejoin my Facebook again, I need to click on this, log in into my Facebook account, then only it's going to be connected. So I hope you understand how you guys can connect and disconnect Facebook from your Spotify. And if you disconnect your Facebook from Spotify, all of your friends you have added on your Spotify from your Facebook, it's going to be stop shown. All right, so hope you understand its advantage and disadvantage and how to connect and disconnect. Hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future Spotify related videos just like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye until then.